In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sender name not showing in Outlook. If your inbox only shows subjects or dates and you're missing the sender's name, it's usually just a view setting. We'll walk through a quick fix to bring the sender column, called From, back into your message list and make sure it appears first so you can scan your inbox at a glance. Start by opening Outlook and heading to your inbox. Along the top, click the View tab on the ribbon. This tab controls how your messages are displayed. Look for View Settings in some layouts. You may see Current View first, then View Settings. Click that, and in the dialog that opens, choose Columns. You're now in the place where you can pick which fields show in your message list and in what order. Think of this as customizing the columns you see, similar to a spreadsheet. In the Columns window, you'll see two lists, available columns on the left and the columns currently showing on the right. Find From on the left. If you don't immediately see it, check the drop-down above the list and set it to all mail fields, as From can be grouped under different categories depending on your Outlook version. Once you've located From, select it and click Add. That moves it to the list on the right, which controls what appears in your inbox. With From selected on the right, use the Move Up button to position it at the very top. The order here is important. The item at the top appears first in your message row, so placing a From first ensures the sender's name is front and center. Click OK to close the Columns dialog, then click OK again to apply your changes. Your inbox should now display the sender names properly, making it much easier to identify messages at a glance. If the sender name still isn't showing or your view looks unusual, the layout may be corrupted or heavily customized. To quickly restore everything to a clean default state, return to the View tab and click Reset View. Confirm the prompt. This resets the current folder's view settings back to Outlook's defaults, which often resolves stubborn display issues in one step. After the reset, repeat the earlier steps to add a From and move it to the top if needed. That's it. Your sender names should now be visible and prioritized, helping you sort and scan emails more efficiently. Thanks for watching.